Hello, everyone, and welcome to the episode 2 of AI for Product Managers series. Here, we'll learn how AI gets its power, understanding the data. Imagine you are about to cook your signature dish, your masterpiece. You have the recipe in your head, best kitchen tools, best chefs. But if your ingredients are messy, wrong, or incomplete, no matter how talented you are, your dish is gonna be a flop. AI works the same way. Data is your ingredients. Without the right type, quality, quantity, and even the smartest AI will fail. Now, as a product manager, your job is to know exactly which ingredients matter and how to prepare them. You don't need to cook the dish yourself. You don't need to code the models, but you must know how to organize them and where to use them. Now, let's start with the basics. Data comes in different types, just like your cooking ingredients. First is the structured data. It comes as neatly packaged ingredients. For example, the customer age, the purchase count, the ratings, everything. You are able to finalize the outcomes, you are able to predict the outcomes. Next is unstructured data. This is raw or messy ingredients in your kitchen. For example, customer reviews, support emails, product images, everything. You need a lot of processing before you can get a conclusion of what to do with this data. The other one is semi-structured data. It's a mix of structured and unstructured. For example, the app activity feeds. Here you have the flexibility of determining, but again, some processing that's required. Knowing your ingredients best is gonna enable you on how to use the right models for your data. Now, the data needs to be cleaned and the data needs to be prepped. Even the best ingredients need to be measured, right, in your kitchen. So, first, whenever you have a set of data, you always have to ask, is my data reliable? Like, is it correct or not? Is the data complete, or does it have missing values? If it has, you have to prep the data and fill the missing values and everything. And the timeliness. Is your data relevant? Is your data recent data, or it is a 10-year-old data from which 100 things have changed already in the meantime? Because bad data is equal to bad AI. So you'll always have to check for the reliability and the completeness. Data requirements across different AI learning types. Now, coming to the learning types, first one is supervised learning. You have the labeled data with known outcomes. Like, for example, sales forecasting. Next is supervised learning, where you have unlabeled data and you rely on experimentation to understand it. Next is reinforcement learning, feedback loops for learning over time. Now, as a product manager, you're responsible for defining what the data aligns, decide what ingredients to use basically, choose the proper learning method, and the translating the business outcomes into measurable data signals. You're orchestrating the strategy in turning this data into product value. Data is the foundation of AI. Understanding it is critical for product success. In the next episode, we'll explore how companies like Amazon, Netflix, Spotify use these inputs, take this data, and turn it into business value. If this cooking analogy helped make data click for you, hit subscribe and sit around. The next episodes will take your skills to next level.